Hello everyone, today we're doing a quick review of ETC and chemiosmosis. To see a more detailed lesson, you can look at the lesson attached at the end screen with added notes and more explanations. Now let's start from scratch. Along the inner membrane, we have some specialized proteins, particularly protein complex 1, 2, 3, and 4, along with coenzyme Q, cytochrome C, as well as ATP synthase. For the first set of proteins, what we will have is ETC taking place due to a series of oxidation reactions. Remember, oxidation is a loss of electrons or the gaining of oxygen. For the ATP synthase, what we will have is chemiosmosis. During chemiosmosis, phosphorylation will take place, and phosphorylation is adding a phosphate group, particularly to ADP. For our first set of oxidation reaction will take place at protein complex 1, NADH will convert into NAD+. While this is taking place, electrons will be lost. Hydrogen ions will also be produced. The hydrogen ions will then transferred over into the intermembrane space. The electrons will be transferred into coenzyme Q. For the next oxidation reaction, FADH2 will be converted into FAD. As well, electrons will be given off. The hydrogen ions will also be produced, but they will stay in the matrix. The electrons will be transferred into coenzyme Q. Then electrons will be transferred into protein complex 3. The protein complex 3 will be energized. And because of this energized protein, it will be able to pump hydrogen ions over into the intermembrane space. Electrons now will be transferred into cytochrome C, then into protein complex 4. The electrons will now energize protein complex 4. Some of the electrons will be pulled towards oxygen, because oxygen is highly electronegative. Now, oxygen will react with hydrogen ions to produce water. The excess hydrogen ions will be transferred over into the intermembrane space, increasing the concentration of hydrogen ions into the intermembrane space. After this has taken place, hydrogen ions will then be pumped through the ATP synthase, energizing ATP synthase and causing phosphorylation of ADP to form ATP. Now, I hope this lesson was really helpful for you. And I want to thank you for watching. And please remember, whatever you want to start, gain that courage to start today. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Talk to you soon.